Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Impala LT, stock number Z9647XX. Low miles, only 18,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the large car class, seats 5. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Spacious trunk, one of the largest in its class. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, as you can see. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, oversized moonroof. Again, only 18,000 miles with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio app. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect media devices. Spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead auto dimming mirror, Home transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and sunshade control. Under the hood, this Impala is a 3.6 liter V6, 305 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Impala, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.